I love you, Mother Earth. I'm very grateful for all that you give unselfishly. I would love for you to speak to me and tell me how you feel. You're all kings and queens and sons and daughters, but you're killing me. How does it make you feel? Does it make you feel good knowing that you use all of my resources? How does it make you feel? I feel tired and used and incomplete. And still, I'm being drained. All of my resources. All I ask is that you recycle, renew, reuse, and rebuild what you take. Renew my energy. You may believe that I am indestructible. The more you take, the less you're happy. All I ask is that you rebuild, recycle, renew my energy. You need my oxygen and my resources. They are what you need in this life. I can live without you, but can you live without me? I don't want your poisons or your pollution. It makes me sick. And if I am sick, you cannot breathe, you cannot grow, you cannot eat, you cannot feed your children, you cannot fill your car. You will not be able to live at all. Mother Earth is happy to see towns and cities recycling, composting. It's a good start. And everyone's looking for new ways to help. Let's get businesses recycling. One love, one life. Let's keep it going for the future. For sure.